Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're playing some Sons of the Forest. Me and my friend Gaming with Jones. We're gonna tackle it again from the start, seeing where we can get and hopefully actually try to make a series out of it. Enjoy the video. Really.
Look at this.
I know, I saw you.
3.
Okay, leave me alone, bro. Really.
I'm not going to. I just want to show you my rock. I just want to show you my rock click.
I don't want to see
I just
your
wanna show you
rock.
my rock click.
No.
Enemy spotted.
I see one. Running in the river. Yeah, motherfucker. Hello.
I need to make this spear. What about that? Hold on.
You can kill it.
You buy yourself.
Kill it.
I'm busy making a spear.
I slaughtered it like an animal. We're gonna build a big ass fucking custom made base. None of that fucking preset shit. I wanna go big. Get logs and drop, yeah. Okay, I'm putting our little slave to work.
Okay.
10 hours later.
The base is really a bit fucking super wonky, but just appreciate what I was trying to do, please.
I will. I'll be the judge of it.
I get the feeling you're gonna fucking judge the shit out of me.
Probably. Hey, if it messes with my OCD, then yes. If it doesn't mess with my OCD, then no.
Oh yeah, no, you've got shit coming.
Is it gonna mess with my OCD?
Yeah, you've got shit coming.
Oh yeah, then just be prepared.
And it's not my fault. It's really not my fucking fault. Like, some of the parts are super straight, some of the parts are not super straight. So, nah.
Did you build it yourself, or are you using one of the actual?
I'm building it itself. I want the real forest experience.
So I'll give you +5 for that. That's a bonus power point. So it won't be too harsh.
That was a mistake. That was a mistake. Why the fuck's there a rock in the tree?
That's exactly what I say. What the fuck is going on there? It's like glitched in the middle of the tree.
Okay, tell me what you think of the base. That's what I said, it's a fuck up. We need to chop down all the supports and build over. But at least we've got all the logs now, so it's fine. So after around about an hour of building and rearranging and fighting and just arguing, this is the design we came up with. So yeah, basically all that work just for a square ass house. Yeah.
Hopefully Calvin can pick those up.
I seriously still need to get meds.
So do I. I've got one thing of maids left.
I didn't even get.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, yeah, we definitely need to find.
Yeah, no, we need fucking meds.
We need that or the aloe vera.
I've got
this
one
way.
piece of aloe, but
Oh, I don't have any.
okay, let's go. Oh, but Lilo. Wee.
Yeah.
I
I remember this area because it was in the other part. 3 cannibals.
Can't get out my shit. There's one to your left as well, here in this rock.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Did you see your right side?
There's 2.
No, there's one of that creepy ones.
Hello, hola.
Oh fuck, it's got me.
Holy, you got
I got demolished. I just see the light coming close and nice.
Get one on fire. Run back. Got one.
I seriously need to build a bow. Okay. Fuck,
Ow,
that
you've got like
thing's
8 arrows in you.
eating the arrows. That's dead. Oh no, it's not.
Yeah. No, it's not. Okay.
It's dead. Nice, nice, nice.
Okay, 2 more. Stay
One
us back.
dead.
Remember, you can also block. Hit him.
Okay, I'll
Okay.
just get all your arrows.
Yeah, man, that's big creepy dude. I do have a grenade for him if you want to use a grenade.
Yeah, use your grenade. He's on his way to you. Oh, fuck!
I see he's on his way. Right. Got one.
Chuck grenade.
Please.
Oh, fuck! It somehow blew out the light, and he's not dead.
Who's gonna carry the boats?
Oh,
I'm like,
oh, it's got me. Fuck! I'm gonna eat some cave tuna. Yum.
two more in front of me. One to the left, one to the right.
It's on fire.
Nice, you good. Yeah, no.
Ooh! Fuck! Ah, fuck! 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 Fuck!
Yeah, I'm dead. I'm dead. He got me.
Creepy. Right by you. Fuck.
Yeah, he got me.
Oh, hold on.
He broke my armor very quickly, and then I died.
Oh, I just chucked the grenade right in front of me as well. Fuck me, boy. Yes, yes.
Are you dead?
Hi, how are you?
No, I'm still. Oh, I'm dead. It's just that creepy now.
Where's Senor Creepy?
Las Señoros, las creepios. Oh, I see him.
Yeah, I found him.
Chucked him with a spear in the head as well.
Hit him in the head.
Chucked him with another
again.
spear.
Missed.
Missed my last spear. Die, bastard. Oh! Oh, fuck, he's got me, but I hit him a few times. Christ. But this guy's got some serious fucking strength to climb this rope like this.
With one hand as well.
Yeah.
And for this distance.
The
machine.
Oh, more fucking cavefish. I love my cavefish.
Who don't love their cavefish?
I'm eating someone's leg.
This is where we find the oxygen tanks. Yeah, right over here by me.
I'm gonna do it.
A lot of bones.
I'm gonna do it.
You're dead.
Oh, doesn't wanna let me out.
I don't see where it is.
The shark's just chilling there, so there's the other side.
Where? Oh, there, I see it.
Well, it's not very hostile. Maybe if you're close to it.
That didn't work.
Yeah, you see. Oh, fuck!
It's coming for you now. Oh, no, it's not.
Hold on, I'm gonna hotkey this fucking thing.
Oh, that is very true. Yeah.
There we go.
Where did it go?
It's there in the water. Just chucked it with the spear.
I saw. I missed.
Why the fuck's my aim so far from my spear?
All the way over there. Jeez, that went nowhere.
Yeah, my aim is the
Got
fucking
it.
cursor is fucked up. Hey, Shaki.
It's not dead though. Now it is. Come get your spears.
I am under the water. Please help me.
Can't see shit.
Yeah, quick 360.
Oh, that turned me around. Which way are we going?
We're going this way.
That turned me around completely.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit that like button and to leave a comment and even to hit the notification bell to get notified when I upload again. Thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.